Looking for the best kitchen gadgets on Amazon right now? I went through hundreds of options so you don't have to. Here are the top 5, and number 1 might surprise you. All the links are down in the description, so let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Canope. Here's why people love it: razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel, soft ergonomic handles, and black. I'll drop the link below if you want to grab one. Coming in at number 4 is the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. What makes it stand out? For smoothies, shakes and frozen drinks, and 16 ounces. To-go cups. Check today's price using the link in the description. At number 3 on the list, the KitchenAid Rib Soft Silicone Oven MIT. A couple of highlights: cotton/polyester blend, durable, heat-resistant silicone, and waterproof and amp, slip-resistant. The link's down below if you're interested. Next up, number 2, the Atexity Food Kitchen Scale. Why it's worth a look: backlit LCD screen with large fonts for easy reading. You can find it linked in the description. And our number 1 pick, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler with handle. The short version, handle and straw 40 ounces, Flowstay 3-position lid, and cup holder compatible. Tap the link below to see the latest deal. So that's my top 5 kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Which one is your favorite? Let me know, and if this helped, subscribe for more. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.